Sorry, man. Sorry. DQ gang, what is poppin', man? I go by Dunn.
I'm Quona.
And we are back with another Q&A mukbang, man. I miss you up, man.
You did. I ain't gonna say nothing because I ain't know what to say.
I knew I was gonna miss you up, man. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, we back with another mukbang video, man. This gonna be a Q&A, man. A spicy Q&A, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna say we exposed.
A spicy Q&A.
Well, not really spicy. I ain't doing all that. It's a family channel. You know what I'm saying?
I don't know. Spicy could mean we airing out stuff.
Yeah, but
that's kind of spicy.
Yeah, but I didn't ask for spicy questions. I gotta ask for spicy questions. You know what I'm saying? Spicy Q&A.
Well, they can comment down below and tell us if they want a spicy Q&A next time.
Yeah, comment down below. Let us know what's up. This right here just gonna be a Q&A. Y'all know how we do it, man.
Yeah.
Most of the people just ask us relationship questions and all that good stuff. So we've been together for 18 years. You know, people just feel like we basically, you know what I'm saying? Help them out a little bit. I know y'all wanna know what we eat tonight. But before we get into that, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Anything you want to help?
Make sure you turn on your post notifications.
Yes, sir. When you do that, it's like getting a personal text message from me, Quona, and Quona. So hit the bell. And if you're new, hit subscribe. It's easy. Let's get into this food. So I'm hungry. Tonight we got bam!
Longhorn.
Oh, you can't even hardly seal that bag so big. It's gonna be a lot of food.
It is. Look at that receipt. Receipt long.
We went and cashed out at Longhorn, man. Just for you guys. To answer these questions for you guys. So we need 100 likes on this video.
Yes.
Go ahead and like it up. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, I like that slogan. I didn't even know they had a slogan.
What is that?
You can't fake steak.
You can't fake straight.
I don't know, some people do try to.
I know Taco Bell for my steak.
Hey, my salad turned over. It's still looking
I
good.
know the big end, man. What we got, man? I told you to tell them folk no rice.
I said put it on the side. They ain't put it on the side.
Yeah,
I can use that right from my too. Alright, we gotta do a thumbnail real quick.
Thumbnail, we're gonna click back.
What was I gonna say? So we about to take a thumbnail now?
I need to open them up.
Bro, you confusing me. I don't know what the thumbnail gonna be.
Thumbnail, like you just gonna be looking like you sad, and I'm gonna be looking like, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, okay.
Hold on.
I can't act sad good. I'm so happy. Come by to eat.
You have to be sad.
Yeah, that too. I miss you.
So we gotta click back deep. I'm sorry, y'all. Hold up, if I cheat, you don't gonna be holding me.
Well, I'm telling you, come back home.
Nah, that ain't how black women do it.
I'd be upset.
But look mad, like really? There's one right there. And we also gonna click at the beginning of the video, so but I'm really telling them. Sorry, man. Sorry that we clicked that. We're gonna get into the food and get into these questions, man. First of all, we gotta tell y'all what we got to eat, man. You know
oh man, that's a lot. This is a feast.
You want this bread?
I'm doing bread tonight. We gotta warm this up. It's cold bread.
You wanna put it in the microwave and do it? You wanna do it?
I do it. I'm closer.
I'm pretty warm. Oh, yours.
Alright, I gotta unwrap the bread first because I threw the bread away before. But this time, I gotta eat it.
Hey, why the to-go bread? It look like it's fresher than the bread they give us.
No, it don't. It looks the same.
Nah, that bread, they be giving, it don't be hard, bro. Is that hard? You got salt that bread in.
Oh yeah, it is. I don't know. Maybe I don't know.
But
Maybe it's been rewarmed or something. I don't know.
What you got to eat though, baby?
I got Parmesan crusted chicken. They burnt my Parmesan.
Oh, that joint was good too.
And I have a salad. My salad look real good.
Yeah, for sure. That look good. And she got bread, y'all.
Yeah.
Show y'all what the kid got, man. So I got a renegade sirloin and some shrimp, man.
And some what?
Broccoli, some shrimp. And got me some broccoli right there, no cap. And your boy had to do it up like this, man. I ain't getting no carbs. I got double digits, so I got me some what is it?
Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts, the little bitty cabbage. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And I guess they had to give me the rice because the rice come with the shrimp. But I ain't with this rice. Quona said she'll eat it with her some rice. You dig what I'm saying? And y'all, we got an appetizer. You know, it's just like we at Longhorns, but we at the crib, so we got the appetizer. And if you watch our vlog, y'all already know what the appetizer is. The wine thing. No cap. Extra crispy. Make sure get them extra crispy or they ain't gonna taste right.
I got blue cheese this time.
You know blue cheese better than ranch. You know that?
I knew it. That's why I got it.
Yeah.
Like, it's healthier.
Yeah. We're gonna get into this food first, cause I am hungry.
I am too. I started eating before you even told me what you had. Yeah. I've been waiting on this.
Longhorn never disappoint me with these wine.
Me either. People say they don't like Longhorn, but I love them.
This is good, man. I gotta try it, man. I go Longhorn.
And their wings ain't even that fat now.
They're not. Honestly, all these wings, you know, like 470 calories. So if you're sharing it, you know.
What? 230 something?
Yep. Nah, the ranch was like 150 calories. I think this buffalo sauce is like 60 calories. The whole thing. That blue cheese was like maybe 100, I think. I don't mean to be food police guy, but you know, you got goals, bro.
And dude, that's why I'm drinking water.
Okay. Well, y'all balance.
Oh yeah, I ain't even tell them my side. My side is broccoli, y'all.
Yeah.
So I got two sides of greens. What I'm trying to do right, y'all. Like Dirk said, I got goals.
We got big goals, indeed.
This salad looks so good.
That was good, baby.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. We had it yesterday. Had the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
But Dundee had the salad, and I had the Brussels sprouts.
And she said the salad was busted, and it was, and she ain't like Brussels sprouts, so I ate.
No. I ate some of them.
Honestly, gang,
Only because I had to.
I don't even like Brussels sprouts, really, but the way Longhorn prepared that Brussels sprout.
They alright.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know about all that. They okay. They better than other people's Brussels sprouts.
Yeah.
By other people, I mean mine.
I believe you probably cooked them wrong. Huh?
I tried to make them like that.
What they got in there? That's good, though.
They probably got a lot of seasoning. Alright, yeah, we're gonna get into these questions, but we gotta get into the food first.
Yeah, got you.
You know what? I had blue cheese in a really long time. I don't even remember how it tastes.
I ain't never really ate blue cheese with wings.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I did. I used to eat it with wings a long time ago. Like if it came with ranch, I would sub the ranch for a blue cheese. I was weird.
You different, folks.
I know. I used to do that when I was little. I didn't know where I got that from. Nobody even ate blue cheese.
Nobody, but you. Dang. That's crazy. Get me one more wine, y'all. We're gonna start these questions. Let me see what this blue cheese be here like. It taste like yogurt. I heard it taste like yogurt.
The thickness of it feels like yogurt. Like, it don't taste like yogurt though. It's like the texture.
Cool.
The texture is like yogurt.
No, I ain't gonna say it's better than ranch. But that ain't bad. Yeah.
It's not bad at all. But dip it with the buffalo. The buffalo sauce real good.
With the blue cheese?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, y'all, let's see. Got me a little, maybe more that time. Let's see. Boy, that's good, boy. That is good. That's great. I can't even count. Oh man.
How much meat you leave on your chicken bone?
None.
They say you're supposed to leave meat on your chicken bone. I don't know.
Who's the rule that was?
I don't know. They say you're not supposed to eat it all the way down. Man. I just saw it on social media.
When I eat mine, I eat it. Alright, man, let's get into these questions, man. Question number 1. What has been the hardest thing about being married?
Alright, so the hardest thing about being married, like from the start, you have to compromise.
Oh, yeah.
So sometimes, like, y'all gonna have disagreements about stuff because you're just used to stuff being one way, and then that person is used to it being his or her way. So you really just gotta come to an agreement and try to work things out amongst each other. You just gotta do a lot of compromising. And initially, I wasn't good at compromising. Like, I was so, I ain't gonna say selfish, because I'm not selfish at all. You don't think so, do you?
No, you so.
I wasn't selfish, but I was the only child in my house growing up. So I was used to everything going my way. So when I got into a marriage, as opposed to just a relationship, like, cause it is different, y'all. When we got married, I just realized I had to compromise a little bit more. So that was the hardest thing, or hardest adjustment for me to make. What about you?
Well, really?
Hold up, it ain't tough, is it? I got a medium well.
That medium well in here cook.
That's well done?
They cook them straight in here. The hellfire, they cook that one good.
Yeah, I asked for medium well. I don't know why they do that.
Right, good. But let me see. To me, the hardest thing about being married was communicating. And it ain't had nothing to do with Quona. It's basically like, you know what I'm saying? Nothing against my mom and my pop, but I grew up in a household where to get your point across, you had to yell. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's just all I ever heard. You know, I grew up with 2 brothers. That's how we talk to each other. Like, if we get into a disagreement, we yelling. Whoever can out-yell the other one, that's who got it. That's who won. But, yeah, like, my dad would yell at my mom would yell at my dad. You know what I'm saying? And it was just like that. So I basically had to learn how to be more,
gentle?
Gentle, yeah. I had to learn how to be more gentle with Quona and treat her like a lady, man, because it was time I would be like, she crying. You know what I'm saying? Or I would be like, she talking. You know what I'm saying? Or we may be disagreeing about something as simple as those Brussels sprouts are really not good. And I'd be like, no, they are good. And Quona be like, they're not good. And I'm like, they are. She'd be like, that's just my opinion. I'm like, no, they good. You know what I'm saying? And I had to learn I couldn't do that. You know what I'm saying? And honestly, I used to talk to my dad about it. My dad told me in his second marriage, he had to learn how not to do that. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, yeah, so I guess it's just in me. And I just use that as an excuse too. Like, I'm agreeing, it's what we do. You know what I'm saying? But I had to learn, no, you don't do that, bro. That ain't how you talk to nobody. You know what I'm saying?
So really, that's a commonality. I guess we would both agree that making adjustments when you get into a marriage and, you know, working together or making sacrifices is one of the biggest things that you have to deal with when married.
Big fact.
But it was all worth it, and I'm so glad I did learn to compromise.
Oh yeah. Instead of throwing in the towel, man, we grew together.
Oh yeah. You gotta be understanding of one another too. I know I'm going on and on with that question, but that was another hard thing for me, like just being understanding. Because when you have done things a certain way for so long, like you can only see your side of it. Mm-hmm. But you gotta be this sympathetic or empathetic person to, you know, see the other side of it.
Mm-hmm.
So
big thing.
You agree with everything I'm saying today?
For sure. If I didn't, I ain't gonna tell y'all I don't want to be on camera. You'll never disagree with your spouse in front of folks.
You're so crazy.
So we're gonna move on to the next question, guys. The same person said, what has been the easiest thing about being married?
Ooh, easiest thing?
What's that?
Your support, your love. Oh, you said one thing. Okay. Probably your support.
Support. For sure.
Man.
For sure.
the way you are always there for me. You make everything easy. You really do. Like, I just told you this the other day.
Yeah.
So, I was leaving that house, y'all, and I had a hard time leaving the house. That's so crazy. Like, that makes it so easy for me that, like, I just can't do simple stuff on my own. I can, but it's harder. You know what I mean? I'm not saying, like, I don't know. It's not that I need him for every single thing, because I don't want people to be looking like this, like, oh, Quona weak. She's trying to let people know you need a man for everything. It's not that I need him for it. It's that I want him there for it, because he makes it so easy for me. Yeah. So, like, just leaving out the house, like, sometimes he'll help me pack my lunch. He'll pull things down out the cabinet for me. Stuff that usually slows me up in the morning, then he's there to do it. And that's just all around. Not even just getting me out the house in the morning. It's with every aspect of our life. It just makes everything easy. Like, I don't have to pump my own gas. Like, I don't have to do anything that I want to. My baby's there to do everything. Yeah. Except for white dishes. He ain't gonna do that.
I ain't washing no clothes. Cause I will go buy me some drawers before I wash them. Yeah, I am.
That's it. But other than that, he'll do everything.
Yeah. So. Yeah, and I feel you know what I'm saying? Like, and I do it because I feel like that's my duty to do that. You know what I'm saying? I don't think my wife should have to worry about stuff around the house like cleaning gutters or cleaning fences or cleaning the house. Like, I feel like she should just pull up and our house is just clean. You know what I'm saying? She's like, dang, when you got the house clean? Oh man, my boy did that the other day.
Yeah, it's a support for me.
Yeah,
I love it.
Yeah, and it's appreciate it, baby. I'm glad to know I'm appreciated. You know what I'm saying? Even though I do know, I don't want y'all to be thinking like, and y'all, and I know the real DQ gang saying like, y'all ain't gotta keep saying what you don't want us to think, but the internet's crazy, and they'll chop your words up. And
then we get new subscribers every day, so a lot of people that watch us don't even really know us like that.
Yeah, man. So I don't want y'all to be thinking like I'm saying thanks for appreciating me on camera. I tell her that all the time.
Oh yeah, and I tell him thank you all the time, out of the blue, out of nowhere.
Yeah, it ain't. Facts.
Just let my baby know I appreciate him. And as should you. If you got a person in your life who's helping you out a whole lot, like, show them they appreciate it. People don't just want to feel appreciated on their birthday. Don't just give them a long shout out on their birthday. Tell them throughout the year, like, I love that you're there for me. You know, give them something small. It don't have to be a big gift or something. Just let them know, hey, I love that you're there.
That means a lot for real. I'm gonna say that the easiest thing about me with being married has been it's a lot. But if I can just name one, it's the attraction. You know what I'm saying? I've never not been attracted to my wife. And we've been together since we were 13, bro. So I've watched her grow from a little bitty girl to a grown woman, and the attraction is still there. Like, I've never looked at her and been like, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, so.
I got a question.
For sure.
Cause I was thinking about this today. Like, so the older that I got, was I even more attractive to you?
Yeah, that's a big fact.
For real?
On everything. Alright, y'all, so the next question. How do you guys get over hard times? You gonna answer that?
I'm gonna think about one of the hardest things we had to get over. And I'm not sure what it was, but I'm just kind of reliving it, even though I really don't want to. But when we were there, the situation was so tragic that I didn't even know how we were gonna come out of it. I couldn't see myself leaving the house again. I didn't want to go to work. I didn't want to be seen. I didn't want to be on social media, nothing. It was just that tragic. But me and my baby, like, we'd never been through this before, so we didn't know what to do or what to say to one another. It was just the fact that he was there. He was holding me. We prayed hard. And like, just being there. Yeah. So that's what got us through it. Oh. So just being there for one another, telling each other you love them, holding one another, praying with one another. That'll get you through anything. Like, and I do mean anything.
That's a big fact.
Like, even the stuff that you feel like you can't come back from, like, just give that person a chance. Y'all would probably be able to come back from it. But it was nothing like that for us. It was something even deeper than, you know, cheating or anything like that. Even deeper. And I know y'all probably thinking, like, what in the world is deeper than cheating?
I feel my baby, man. Honestly, I was kind of say the same thing. I was just gonna say prayer. You know what I'm saying? Like, person gets to do anything, bro. Like, that's a big fact. No matter what you're going through, man, you just pray. But what you gotta do, if you're gonna do something with your significant other, you gotta pray with them. You know what I'm saying? Pray with them. Like Quona said, lay with them. Don't give up on them. Like, when you're going through turmoil, the worst thing you can do is go turn to somebody else. Even if it's your partner, if it's your mama, don't turn to nobody. You need to go straight to that person, bro, and be like, hey, either we gonna work it out or we ain't, or either let's see how we gonna move forward from here.
That's one thing I don't do, is involve other people in my relationship, in my marital affairs. Like, I ain't telling nobody nothing. It ain't their business, first of all. And I just feel like if you're married to somebody and that person does hurt you, they need to be the same person who can bring you like the best joy ever. And that's what I have with my baby. Like, I don't need to share nothing with nobody. Like, he is my friend. I'm sharing with him. We're gonna work it out together.
Yeah, so if I had to just bottom line and one answer, the way we get over hard times through God, through prayer, man. The way you get over anything, you know what I'm saying? So y'all need to pray more. Next question, gang. Who's the hothead in a relationship?
I gotta be honest. I say it's both of us.
Yeah, I can turn up, y'all. I ain't gonna kill. Y'all probably know that anyway.
And I can too.
Yeah.
I guess whoever's
You're mad at
the moment.
If you get both of them mad,
we gonna tear some stuff up.
We got something to deal with. Cause she the only one calm me down. I'm the only one calm her down.
Oh, what?
Both of them mad. You might well get
If it ain't
fight, shoot. Cause I'm gonna be ready to do it all. And she ain't gonna be ready to stop.
Yeah, only that nigga can calm me down for real.
Yeah.
I ain't hearing it if it ain't him.
Good gun. So if you mess around and get both of them mad, it's a wrap. I know one time I ain't gonna call names, but somebody had made Quona mad, so they came and got me to get her. And when I walked in, Quona told me something they said about me. And I was looking like, what? And then they were like, no, nobody said that. It like they knew what time was. Like, hold on now. She already turned. At first, he was trying to get her from not being turned. Now he looking like he finna get turned. And it gonna be crazy in him. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, man.
But, yeah. So, yeah, I would say both of them. Yeah, both of them. We can turn. I think Quona turn up faster than I do.
I don't agree with that. You turn up faster than me. Like, that side of me is so far suppressed that I try my best not to let it show.
You right.
Because I know once I show it, like,
you right.
That's it.
You right.
People probably ain't gonna be around me, which I don't care, but still, you know, like, yeah. I try to keep mine suppressed.
You right. I got to say that. You right. Because I don't suppress mine. I know one of my partners had put on. I shared something with my partner was like, bro, you right here remind me of when you did this to old boy at work. And Quona was like, what?
Like, yeah, I can't believe you did it.
Like, so you really be going off on folk like that?
Quick.
I said, I told you, man. You
Quick.
thought I was having. I told you. But, yeah. So, both of us, we kind of hot-headed, you know what I'm saying, towards other people now. As far as, like, I would say in a relationship, like, I know how my baby is, man. So, honestly, I don't want to make this question long, but honestly, I asked God to change me. Because I know how Quona is. Quona is she's very strong-willed, you know what I'm saying? So, if we get to arguing and it get real heated, in which it has got heated, I would basically, if I don't fall back, I'll make a joke out of it, which it'll make her even madder, you know what I'm saying? But I just keep joking until she just be like, what up? And then, you know what I'm saying, then we done with it. And then after that, I go back to her and like, what's up, man? What's going on? My bad, I'm sorry. You know, man, stop acting like that. And it still take about maybe an hour or two, but then we laugh about what we done, you know what I'm saying, what we were arguing about. But it ain't always been like that. Like, you have to grow, bro.
Yeah.
You have to grow, you know what I'm saying? So, next question, man. I say this one for you, man.
Mm-hmm.
It said, Quona, if you weren't with Don, would you be married?
I don't know.
I'm gonna answer that. What you think?
You about to make me choke. I don't know. If we weren't together, I don't know. Because if I weren't with you, you'll be out here on some Longhorns stuff.
So that means you'll play field then?
I wouldn't play the field. I ain't Easter. No. But I would probably be married. If you know what Longhorns do,
so
Longhorns be getting it in.
So you think you'll be married?
Probably. I don't know.
Okay, let me tell y'all what I think. I think she would. I ain't gonna even count. She probably wouldn't think I'm gonna say that. She gonna think I'm gonna be like, nah, she wouldn't be married with us. She'll be with me.
I probably would be married.
I think she would be married only because like I know what kind of girl she is. You know what I'm saying? She's very cool, very charismatic. You know what I'm saying? She a go-getter. She a hustler. She got her eyes set on something. She gonna want it. Some dude would have picked up on that, bro. You know what I'm saying? And got her and snatched her up just like I did. You feel what I'm saying? So.
And I ain't with it no nonsense stuff, so I definitely wouldn't been fooling around with nobody who wouldn't even want married.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
If she wasn't with me, she'll still be married. She know her husband with me. If y'all just want to know.
That'd be messed up.
But that's just how it would be though.
You think I would cheat?
What? Quick.
Mm.
You may feel bad about it. You may hit me up like, we gotta stop. We gotta stop. And I'll be like, alright, well come over, let's talk. Let's talk about it. Next thing you know, you cheating again.
You're crazy.
Just how it would be, man.
So if you weren't with me, would you be married?
Man, no. I wouldn't get married for what?
See, Lawrence.
It ain't about Lawrence. I'm just saying, like, ever since I've been 13, I knew I wanted to marry you. So if I wouldn't have married you, then
not at 13.
I wouldn't marry nobody. Man, ever since I wanted to be with you, I was like, man, they're gonna be my wife right there. I manifested it, bro. Like, I'm being dead for real. I was like, that's gonna be my wife. Like, for sure. Yeah.
I hear you, babe.
And then just like, you ain't got to do with that question, but just like when I first got my job, what I told you, I said we'll never be broke again.
Yeah.
And we ain't been broke since, bro.
Why I could eat all this food in the restaurant, but not here?
You don't mean all that, man.
Wait, how where you ate your dinner?
Oh, I told you, man. Boy, we're hungry, man.
I just finished my salad.
Boy, we're hungry.
That's so bad. You
All
want
right.
some of my food?
No, I'm good, man. Next question. Is it cool for married women to go to bars/clubs?
Yes, clubs. I don't know if that's your thing. But yeah, like, it's really all about trust. If you the kind of person who ain't gonna do anything and your significant other knows that, yeah, why not? Like, I go to bars with my friends, not often, but when I do go, it's me and the girls. It's lit.
I be missing too, y'all. I be at home listening to Teddy Pendergrass and Gerald Levert.
No, you don't.
When my baby get home, me and my partner might go out and have Bible study while they be turned up.
No, they don't.
You know what I'm saying? But I guess y'all already know my opinion on that question. I think, hell no! To the no! No, I'm just playing. I think yeah, man. I think yeah. Like Quona said, but you gotta know what you got. You know what I'm saying? And if you feel like your lady might do something, or you feel like your dude might do something, you don't need to be with him. You know what I'm saying? So this to all my fellas out there. You can't keep a woman in the house, man. You know what I'm saying? Talking about, you can't go to bars and clubs.
Or a man.
That's not where wives should be. What? Well, what wives should be then?
If you do that, they just gonna sneak and do it.
Mm-hmm.
And they might sneak and do something worse.
Or they might be on Club Facebook.
What that mean?
Cheating on Facebook. Cause they ain't got nothing else to do but sit there.
What the club Facebook?
I don't know.
Oh.
Cause you best believe if a dude want his old lady to stay home all the time, that's because he probably out. What you think?
Or he might just be home all the time.
I get you right. I feel like, yo, married women can go to clubs and bars. Because she married, that don't mean she gotta be the go.
No, like, your life doesn't stop. One part of your life doesn't stop just because you get married. If you was this person who used to go out with your friends and enjoy girl time, why should that have to stop just because you became a wife?
Exactly.
You're not only a wife, you're
exactly.
still a friend too.
Let me tell you, big homie, whoever wrote that question right there. If you met her in the club, cool.
Hold on, you ain't meet me in no club.
I know I did.
Oh, you talking about other people. I just had to say, I'm not even turned up tight.
Man, I met you at the daycare. If you met her in the club, though.
You did not.
I'm trying to stop her from going to the club.
No.
Let her go to the club and enjoy herself and come back home, kiss you in the mouth.
I don't know about all that.
Anyway. Next question. This food's busting too, man. Alright.
It is. I'm glad you like it though.
It's a How do you know if a person is the one? What you think, babe?
The feeling.
Yeah.
You get this. I gotta stop eating for a minute. 'Cause I gotta tell y'all exactly how I feel. I remember, and I hate to take it back this far because people gonna be like, you were that young, how would you know? But I did. When I was like 9th, 10th grade, like I used to go to my uncle's house all the time and they used to play this song. It was by Usher. I can't even remember what it was. But I felt that song in my soul. It was just a feeling that I got, and I always thought about you. I was like, I really cannot go without him. I can't go without talking to him. I can't go without seeing him. And then as I grew older, the feeling got more intense. I didn't want to not be around him. Like, I had to see him. I had to talk to him. And when we started living together, it really got intense. Like, it's just a feeling you get. You're gonna know. You're gonna know. Yeah. You can't go without talking to the person. You can't go without seeing them. Like, the love is deep, y'all. That's the only person you think about. Like, every text message you get, you're wishing that it's that person. Every call that you get, you're wishing that it's that person.
Man.
And that's how I felt. That's how I knew you want a woman.
What's up, man?
How'd you know?
That's crazy, but I got a similar story too. Like,
I got a feeling this story about to be funny though.
Like when I was at my uncle's house, the song came on, it took me my soul, and it was, I pay the shipping costs. Nah, I'm playing.
Cause we were young.
How that song go? How that shipping costs go? I forgot.
I don't know, whatever it is.
Oh yeah, I wanted to sing it to y'all, but I forgot it.
No.
I'm getting old. Whatever, it don't matter.
Sir, that does not have anything to do with love.
My boy said he a fed. Now they're playing, man. Y'all probably think like, Quona was so serious, these niggas playing. Anyway, nah, man. Just like what my baby said, man, you know what I'm saying? How I knew she was the one. I'm gonna tell y'all exactly how I knew Quona was the one for me, bro.
I wanna hear it, cause you just said you gonna marry me at 13, so I wanna know this.
I mean, at 13, now, it was just like, you was just cool. But that ain't when I knew you were one. I wasn't 13. You know what I'm saying?
So why you want to marry me at 13 then?
Because you was cool, bro. And you was my first girlfriend. I was lame, cuz. The first one said, I'll be your girlfriend. That's going to be my wife.
Man, you made me choke. See, the only gave me
Manifestation. Don't worry, baby. I know you embarrassed right now. But 20 years later, watch. Manifestation. Y'all gotta believe in manifestation, bro.
Oh, man,
it's real, dog. It's real.
That's hilarious.
Nah.
Okay, tell me when you knew I was the one.
Oh, yeah. Let's get back to it. I knew Quona was the one, bro, when I couldn't live without her. You know what I'm saying? Like, and some people may think this is selfish, bro. Like, but I didn't really marry my wife for love. And I know y'all think like, what? But I was selfish, bro. I married her because I didn't want nobody else to have her.
What?
Like, was it being real, dog? Like, I love you to death. I love you, but when I said I'm gonna propose, it wasn't, man, I love her so much. It was like, I don't know what I would do. No, I don't want nobody to have her but me. Yeah, I'm gonna ask her to marry.
So, at the moment you proposed, were you even thinking about, like, being taken off the market?
Yeah, I ain't care about none of that.
So you were ready to commit?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But I ain't gonna, like, I was like, if I keep waiting, man, you never know, like, even though you ain't never pressured me to marry you, but you just never know, bro. You know what I'm saying? I was like, so I'm gonna marry her.
Even though I hadn't brought it up.
Nah, I was like, cause I knew I wanted to marry you anyway, but I was like, I was gonna eventually marry you, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and do it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and ask you to marry me, and that because I was selfish. I ain't want nobody else to have her, bro. I was selfish, man. You know what I'm saying?
But what let you know you were ready is because you couldn't live without me.
Facts.
So same thing I said.
Facts. Anyway, man, we got 2 more questions. All the food. You don't want that flat folk.
I don't. I'm full. I ain't even eat my food. I'm full.
Cause
Yeah.
It says, should married couples attend gentlemen's club?
Gentlemen's club, like strictly stuff like that.
Yeah. You want to answer? Want me to answer?
I don't care.
If that's your thing, folks. You know
Yeah,
what I'm saying?
do what
Like,
you do.
don't tell nobody what married folks should do and what married folks shouldn't do. Man, look, if y'all want to go to the library together, do that.
Because really, there's no guideline to being married. There's no manual on how to be a married man or how to be a married woman. Like, people just need to stop putting their stigmas on stuff and, you know, let it be what it is.
Yeah, for sure.
Like, you don't have to have a traditional marriage.
Oh, man. We make up
And, like,
rules,
really,
bro.
traditional marriages probably don't even last.
I don't think they do. Cause folk crazy. They don't like it. If you want to go to the gentleman's club, you and your lady, y'all go.
And then, I am so secure with who I am. Like, I have no doubt in my mind that my baby would do something, or if he did, like, I don't know.
I ain't about to do that.
I'm confident in who I am.
But get what? If I go to a gentleman's club, Quona gonna be right. Yeah, I do. Now Mrs. Green gonna stay home.
You're so foolish.
So we got one more question.
Last question, y'all.
Any advice for couples who are ready to throw in the towel?
I think we just gave y'all plenty advice. Stick it out. Anything y'all going through, nothing is too hard for God. You got to have God in your marriage. You have to pray. You have to pray together. They say in the Bible when two or more people convene together, like, it's more powerful.
He gonna be there.
Yeah, he'll be in the midst of it. So make sure y'all have God in the center of whatever you're doing. Mm-hmm. And y'all just gotta give it a chance. I think anybody who's ready to throw in the towel, you have to first ask yourself, is what you're going through, like, outweighing all the good that y'all been through?
That's a big fact. That's a big, like, but now if you can't think of nothing good.
Right. No positives that, you know, like, there's nothing that your spouse did to uplift you, to empower you, to encourage you. Like, if none of that's there, then maybe you should.
Yeah, maybe you should leave it and go be happy. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Nobody happiness should, you know what I'm saying, come first or last. You know what I'm saying? Like, for real.
No.
Your
your pain should not be greater than your happiness.
No, not at all, man. So don't be trying to stick it out just because I'm married.
For the sake of saying I got a man.
I'm married.
No, I can't stand stuff like that, because then the saying of just saying, you know, I got a man could cost you a life of heartache and pain. And the only way y'all can really work it out is if both parties want it.
Yeah.
If one wants it more than the other one's happy to let it go because they already got something else lined up.
That's big.
You might want to just let it go.
Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and end the video, man. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate you guys for watching this video.
Yeah, it was fun.
It was fun, man. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully we can man, we can do a spicy one. I don't know, man. If we do a spicy Q&A, Miss Green gonna have to go to sleep though. And the Quona gonna have to come out and play. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all think like, what is he talking about when he say that?
Don't worry about
Gotcha. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. So appreciate y'all for watching this video. If y'all want us to do more videos like this, man, just comment down below. You know what I'm saying? We don't mind doing these. You feel what I'm saying? We just want to bring you guys quality content. You feel what I'm saying? And like I always say, I want that silver plaque, man. So y'all make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all share the video, man. I'm on the road to 100K. I want 100K this year, man. You know what I'm saying? I want 100K subs. I'm claiming it. I'm praying for it. But more than anything, I'm working. We working.
Yes.
Our ass off for it. You know what I'm saying? So y'all help us out. Share, like, comment, all that good stuff.
Oh, yeah.
What you gotta say, babe?
Nothing. Just make sure you share the channel because I'm on that same plaque. No dream is too far-fetched. Whatever it is you want is within grasp. You just gotta work hard at it and believe it's gonna happen. Like you said in another video, all you gotta do is believe it and God is gonna provide it.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Just know it's gonna happen.
So until the next video game, y'all make sure y'all pray before you lay. You know what I'm saying? Treat your woman right, fellas. Treat your woman right. Ladies, treat your dude right. Because at the end of the day,
we got.
That nigga, you go to jail, who you gonna call? You ain't calling nobody.
You ain't going to jail though.
They gonna call you girl. You have a car wreck, first person, you call my wife.
Baby! No. Some people be like, Mama.
Man, you your mama no more.
That's how Jody was.
Yeah, Jody. You right, you got a lot of Jodys out there. That's a whole nother video though, man. But anyway, see you guys tomorrow, man. Let's get it. Gang.